Picture a bustling headquarters of a top global tech firm in 2012. The CEO is pacing charts and dashboards blinking at her, juggling soaring targets, a restless workforce, and whispers of fierce competition. Suddenly, a question breaks the tension. How do you keep all these parts moving seamlessly? Koontz's Essentials of Management promises the answer, guiding you through the 5 dynamic forces that make or break any organization. But first, what if managing isn't just tasks, but an art of balance and leadership you never saw coming? Let's start with planning, the blueprint of every action, but it's rarely straightforward. How do leaders transform chaotic goals into clear, winning strategy? When Google introduced OKRs, objectives, and key results, it turned vague ambitions into laser-focused priorities. Each quarter, teams set daring but measurable goals, keeping everyone aligned yet flexible. The story of Google's Gmail and Calendar teams shows how planning created clarity amid innovation's chaos. Think of planning as a ship's compass on stormy seas. Just like sailors constantly check their heading to avoid disaster, managers use plans to steer decisions amid uncertainty. It's not about a rigid path, but about knowing which way to adjust your sails to keep momentum. The payoff: companies that master planning don't just have documents, they wield strategic power. Koontz shows how this transforms organizations from reactive messes into proactive engines, able to pivot fast and seize opportunity before competitors even blink. Great plans flop without structure. Now, how do managers design an organization that doesn't just survive complexity but thrives in it? Toyota revolutionized car manufacturing through its just-in-time system, a perfect organizational puzzle. Every worker, machine, and supplier fit like clockwork, trimming waste and delays. This structure wasn't imposed but organically evolved, proving that designing the right flow is an art and a science. Imagine an ecosystem, a forest where every tree, stream, and creature plays a role maintaining balance. Koontz compares organizations to this, where departments and roles must interlock smoothly or risk collapse. Good organizing nurtures this delicate balance, enabling growth and resilience. The surprise: well-organized companies often unleash creativity faster. By eliminating confusion and clarifying roles, people spend energy innovating, not firefighting. Koontz's insight: structure isn't a cage, it's a launchpad, transforming potential energy into breakthrough success. Now comes the heart: leadership. How does a manager move beyond orders and charts to inspire action, trust, and passion? Walt Disney didn't just build a theme park, he built a dream machine powered by relentless belief and storytelling. Through struggles and skeptics, his leadership created a culture where creativity and meticulous control met, showing leadership is about vision, grit, and connecting deeply with people. Koontz likens leadership to tuning a piano by ear, its emotional resonance, not just commands. The best leaders read moods, motivation, and morale, adjusting their approach to strike the right chord with individuals and teams, because humans don't run on logic alone. Here's the kicker: effective leadership reshapes culture. Once managers start inspiring rather than directing, they shift organizations from compliance to commitment. Koontz argues this transformational leadership is the secret weapon for sustainable success in today's global, complex markets. Remember that CEO pacing her office, juggling crises? Koontz's Essentials let you step into her shoes and wield planning, organizing, and leadership not as separate chores but as a seamless toolkit. Try this next time you're stuck. Zoom out, ask what plan you're following, what structure supports you, and how your leadership connects. You'll find it's not just managing, it's mastering the human machine. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.